Today, we're going to explore how to use the feature recognition using Milling Trochoidal Roughing Assistant to efficiently machine contours. Let's jump into the CAM software. Feature recognition. First, I'm selecting the feature recognition option. This will automatically detect all the machinable contours on our part. I'll apply the filters for milling operations and confirm the selection. Reviewing the selection. Once the process is complete, you can see in the part tree that all the contours have been successfully identified and selected. Applying trochoidal roughing. Now, let's move to the roughing operations. Within the Roughing Assistance menu, I'll select the trochoidal roughing strategy. Configuring the operation. After selecting the strategy, it's important to review the automatically created group contours to ensure they are correct. I'll then configure the specific pocketing options, such as step over and cutting parameters, to suit our needs. Once everything is set, I'll confirm the operation. Calculating the toolpath. The software will now calculate the trochoidal toolpath. Let's wait for the calculation to complete. Simulation. Finally, let's run a simulation to verify the entire machining process. As you can see in the simulation, the tool follows a smooth, trochoidal, wave-like path, which is ideal for high-performance machining, reducing tool load and heat generation. And that's it. You've just seen how to quickly set up an efficient trochoidal roughing operation using the Roughing Assistant. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and software updates.